How to check Windows Event Viewer logs. This tutorial shows you how to view system activity and troubleshoot errors using built-in logs. First, click on the Start menu and type Event Viewer in the search bar. After that, click on Event Viewer from the search results to open it. Let me show you. From there, expand Windows logs from the left side panel. At this point, click on System to view general system events like startups, shutdowns, and driver issues. In the next step, click on Application to view events related to specific programs installed on your PC. Following this, look at the Level column to quickly spot errors, warnings, and information entries. Once done, click on any event to see a summary of what happened in the preview pane below. From here, double-click on an event to open its full details in a separate window. At this stage, check the General tab for a plain description of the event and the Details tab for technical data. Following this, use Filter Current Log on the right side panel to narrow results by event level or date. Keep in mind, not every red error entry means something is broken. Some are harmless and get logged automatically. Finally, note the event ID of any recurring error so you can search it online for more specific troubleshooting steps. And that's it. If this guide helped you check Windows Event Viewer logs, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.